In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download Fortnite on your iPad. So let's get started. Now, on some regions, it's pretty straightforward. So for example, if you're from the United States or some other region except Europe, you can just go ahead to your app store and give it a try. Just go ahead and search up Fortnite and it could perhaps be there. But since I live currently in Europe, it's not going to show up for me. But it might show up for your region, so you can just go ahead and install it from here. Now, if you're living in Europe, then you are not gonna get Fortnite on your app store. So we have to go to Safari and I'll show you how it works. So go to Safari and search up Epic Game Store iOS. Then you're gonna click on the first link. Then you're gonna download it for iPhone or iPad. So just go ahead and download it. Give it all the permissions allow. Then I'm gonna put my Touch ID. Perfect. I'm gonna install the web store. Wait for it to happen. Perfect. Then I'm gonna click on Open Epic Games Store. And then it's gonna ask you to log in, but I already downloaded Epic Games Store on my iPad before, so I'm already logged in. But just go ahead and log in. Now once you're logged in, what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll down and then you're gonna see Fortnite right there. Just click on it and go ahead and install it. That's how easy it is. Now obviously you need some space on your iPad, but in my case I literally have used all the space up, so I have no space, so I have to go and clear some space out. But for you guys, you can just go ahead and install it, and Fortnite should be installed. Then you can go ahead and play it whenever you want. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.